Hi there, Professor Ruhiam. You don't like that? Okay, how about this? Hello there, my name is Professor Ru. I give up. I give up. It's a good thing I'm not an actor. Welcome, Puentistas, to English 1A, English Composition, the Puente edition. My name is Renato Escudero, but you can call me Ru. In this class, we'll investigate the themes of literacy and academic literacies. We will practice active reading. We'll be annotating texts, and we'll be keeping triple entry journals for most of our readings. We'll have weekly assignments such as response statements and discussion boards, but it should be a lot of fun. We'll also get to write 5 major essays through multiple drafts with peer review, and we'll have a final portfolio project in which you'll compose 1 major revision and a reflections of learning essay for the semester. Our class time, student hours, office hours, and Zoom links will be listed on the homepage. Please use the appropriate links provided to access our meetings. These links can also be found on the syllabus. Once you're done with this homepage, please click on the Start Here button, which will take you to Module 0. Please complete Module 0, Getting Started, before the first day of class on Wednesday, September 1st at 9:15 a.m. The best way to navigate the course successfully is to stay on the modules page and go through the modules sequentially. It's very important that you keep up with the readings and the assignments because they build upon each other, but please navigate the Canvas course through the modules page. The assignment links, the dashboard, the calendar, the to-do corner, these do not contain all the information that you need, and you'll actually save time and avoid confusion if you stay on the modules page. I'm not going to lie to you. This is not going to be an easy class. I'm going to put you to work. So let's attend all our class meetings and come see me during student hours where we can meet one-on-one to discuss your progress. And I'm also happy to do tutoring during student hours. Please reach out to me if you have any questions, issues, or problems with anything about the class. I am here for you, and I'm always happy to help. Whatever your circumstances may be, I am happy to work with you because teaching for me is not a job. It's a passion. I love doing it, and I'm looking forward to meeting all of you. Here's to a great semester, and see you soon.